Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you have the rights to change display settings. If you don't, sign in as an admin. Once ready, press Win+I or open the Start menu and type settings to launch it. Then go to Personalization and select Lock Screen or search for Screensaver in the Settings search bar. This gets you straight to the control panel where the Screensaver option is located, so you can change it immediately without extra steps. Now focus on disabling the screensaver. Click Screensaver Settings from the lock screen page or find it via Control Panel. In the dialog, choose None from the Screensaver drop-down to turn it off. Alternatively, reduce the wait time to a small number if you prefer temporary behavior. Click Apply, then OK to save. Test right away by locking the computer or waiting the original delay to confirm no saver appears. This verifies the change took effect. Finish by checking related settings. Open Power and Sleep to ensure those timers aren't triggering a lock that looks like a saver. If the screensaver still appears, restart File Explorer or reboot the PC to apply the changes. Updating the display driver can also help. Make sure company group policy isn't enforcing a saver. If it is, contact IT for an override. If you follow these steps and confirm settings, you'll remove the saver and understand why it kept returning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.